Hey guys, it's Josh from Easy-Kleen. Today we're here with one of our open deck trailers. This trailer has been sold to Edmonton, Alberta. It's been sold to a municipality, so they'll be using this for many different things. Graffiti removal, sign cleaning, cleaning up bridge decks, cleaning equipment off. So this is going to be put to use as soon as we get it out to them. We have tandem 7,000-pound axles here. So at the front of the trailer here, guys, you'll see we have our steel shield here on all our open deck trailers that comes. So that's added protection for the machine. So that way rocks, debris is not going to fly up and hit your machine. And our heavy duty jack here is 12,000 pound. This is standard on ours. You're going to see a lot of the other trailer manufacturers out there are going to put a cheap jack on there. This is heavy duty. Always going to find that on our open or enclosed trailers. Another nice feature is our adjustable coupler here. So again, that's going to be special order on every trailer in the marketplace that you see. That's a specialty order. That's standard on ours. At the front of our trailer here, we have our Grizzly series pressure washer. It's a 5 gallons per minute, 5,000 PSI, 500,000 BTUs. It's a GX690, which is 24 horsepower Honda. It's a belt drive with an industrial grade pump. In the chassis here, we have our 20 gallon diesel tank here, 10 gallon poly tank here for your gas. Off the unloader valve here, so as soon as you release the trigger gun, we have the bypass hose going back to the water tank. As soon as you release it, water goes back in the tank. Whole new fresh water in the head of that pump. Don't have to worry about that overheating, burning your pump up. That will prolong the life of your pump hugely. We have a 2-inch fill here to our 740 gallon water tank. So if you have a water main or hydrant, you can hook direct to that. On the back side of this machine, we have our 10 gallon antifreeze kit. So shut your ball valve off on your water tank, open the ball valve on that antifreeze tank, run your antifreeze through your pump, your heating coil, your hoses, and then you got ease of mind that it's completely winterized. We have our toolbox here, so this is nice, added storage there. So you want to put your manual in there, your nozzles, all your gear, it's always there on hand. So you're not going searching for it, it's always with the trailer. You got your key lock there, so you can lock that up in the night. You don't have to worry about somebody coming by and help themselves to your stuff. So at the rear of the trailer, we have our A-frame hose reel, 200 feet of high pressure hose here. There's still lots of room back here, so if the customer wants to add a second reel down the road, they can. Also more room back here if they want to put some pylons, some signage. There's still room at the back of the trailer here to do some stuff. And if you have any questions today, give us a call at 1-800-315-5533.